How to give Robux to friends. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can give Robux to friends. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into roblox.com. Once you're on your home page, navigate to this menu bar at the top and then click on Create. Once you land on Creators Hub, now navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side and click on Creations. Under Creations, you have to click on your place. Once you're here, again navigate to this menu bar on your left, scroll down a bit and head towards the monetization. And under monetization, you have to create a pass. So click on passes. Here you have to create a pass. So click on a button that says create a pass. And here now you have to create a pass. For that, first of all, you can select an image for the pass. If you want to change it, click on change button and then change your image, or if not, this default image will be used. Under that, you have to name your pass, whether it's for any donations or if you are gifting your friends on either her birthday or any other occasion. So you have to name the card. So for now, I will just write it as a card, for instance. Under that, you can describe that what are you creating this pass for, or why are you giving this to your friends. Once you add your description, then click on create a pass. Now once your pass has been created, you have to click on it. Then you land on this page. Here head towards the sales, and now you have to enter the price for the pass. Turn on this toggle and here provide the price for the pass. For example, if you want to give 100 Robux, type in 100. So once you're done with that, click on save changes, then click on proceed. Now once your pass has been updated successfully, if you click on this three dot right here, you can copy the asset ID, or if you want to copy the link and share it, now you can go back to your pass section. So once you're under your pass, if you want to copy the link, click on this three dot right here and then now click on copy URL. Once you have copied the URL, now you can share this URL to your friends, and then that's how you can give Robux to your friends. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.